Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together.
The farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife,
A,
the farmer takes the wife, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
B,
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child, hi-ho the dairy-o,
C,
the wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse,
D,
hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes
E,
the cow, the nurse takes the cow, hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the
F,
cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog, hi-ho the dairy-o, the
G,
cow takes the dog.
H,
The dog takes the cat, the
I,
dog takes the cat, hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes
J,
the cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse,
K,
hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse.
L,
The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese, hi-ho
M,
the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese stands alone,
N,
the cheese stands alone, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone,
O,
hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
P, Q, R, S,
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The
T,
monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool,
U,
a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
V, W,
All around the
X,
mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Y,
A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
C, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A for apple. B for ball.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good
C for cat.
goes the weasel.
D for doll. E for egg. F for frog. G for glass. H for hat. I for igloo. J for jam. K for kite. L for lamb. M for man. N for net. O for onion. P for pen. Q for queen. R for ring. S for star. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. C for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's trace and paint them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. 14. 15. Let's learn some color names. Green color, orange color, red color, purple color, blue color, yellow color. 1. I have one happy face. 2. I see two little birds. 3. There are 3 big cats. 4. 4 colorful balloons are flying. 5. 5 fingers on my hand. 6. 6 silly monkeys are playing. 7. 7 bright stars in the sky. 8. 8 big eggs in the nest. 9. 9 nice pencils in my box. 10. 10 tiny toes on my feet. 11. 11 elephants are marching. 12. 12 tasty cupcakes for all. 13. 13 happy friends are smiling. 14. 14 colorful flowers blooming. 15. 15 big books on the shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Please like and subscribe to my channel.